Meaning of educationist.
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 Educationist. An educationist is a person who is dedicated and skilled in the field of education, with expertise in teaching and learning theories, curriculum development, educational research, and educational policies. They may work as teachers, administrators, scholars, or consultants, and are committed to improving educational systems and promoting the well-being and growth of learners. Educationists play a crucial role in shaping the future of individuals, communities, and societies, by imparting knowledge, fostering critical thinking and creativity, and instilling values such as respect, responsibility, and empathy.